All right, so today we're taking a look at Tonalic and using it with Logic's Chord ID here. Just creating some stuff in Tonalic with the guitars. It's also a free version of Tonalic if you are a Melodyne user. I downloaded that. I am still on my $1 trial month of the program here. I know there's guitars in the free version. And of course it's limited, obviously, but got the Chord Track here. We can just bounce those guitars down into Logic and then create a really quick chord track, and then use the Logic Pro bass player, drummers, whatever else you want to use, keyboards, synths, and whatever. And we did run into one problem with the wrong chord, but we'll check that, why that was. Let's check it out. All right, so the chord chart is in here, and then we're just going to record this guitar track into Logic, because right now it's just playing through the instrument. Bounce region in place. And now we could make that our chord track. Just drag that right into the chord track here, analyze the chords, and we're good to go. So right now, if we mute that because we have the guitar here, we'll just play this section. Okay, nice. So we're using the drums here. Well, we could use the drums. Let's add in some bass from Logic. Bass player. Do a pop rock one, see what happens. Sound a little off there. Let's add in a drummer. Indie rock sounds good. See what that has to say. Maybe a little less busy. Aha, see, it missed this chord here, probably because this is just a guitar note. I believe that's an E minor. So we'll just have to make that correction in the chord chart. Okay, so let's see what we got now. And of course, make the drummer a little less busy, less fills and so on. Maybe follow the bass so it's more locked in with one another. So pretty nice. So just a different part from the original guitar part. So, hours of fun. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.